In this video, I'm going to show you how to do word problems involving multiplication and division. In word problems, some common words with division are split, divided, equally. For word problems involving multiplication, some common words that you'll want to look for or you will want to see if that's what it's talking about involve counting and adding. Because remember, multiplication is just a fast way of adding. Because if I did 2 times 3, which we know is 6, that's the quick way. Adding is just 2 plus 2 plus 2, which is also 6. So you see we have 2 times 3, 1, 2, 3 twos. So when you see that counting or adding is being mentioned in the problem, then you're going to know that you'll have to multiply in the problem. So let's look at some problems. Sandy goes out to lunch with Mary and Alyssa. Each person orders the $7 lunch special. Sandy agrees to pay the bill. How much will she have to pay? Well, I see that there are three people. There's Sandy, there's Mary, and Alyssa. And it says each person, the $7 lunch special. So three people are eating. And Sandy agrees to pay. So how much will she have to pay? Well, there are three people. That's three people. And then each person has to pay $7. So it's going to be 3 times $7, which is equal to $21. Let's look at number two. Melanie worked 40 hours during the last 5 days. Assuming that she worked the same amount of hours each day, how long did she work each day? So let me find the key information. So she worked 40 hours during the last 5 days. So assuming she worked the same amount of hours each day, so each day the same hours, how long did she work each day? So I know she worked a total of 40 hours. So if each day she worked the same amount of hours, I would have to divide those 5 days into the 40. So 40 divided by 5 is equal to 8. So 8 hours. That's what she worked, the amount of hours she worked each day. Number 7. A restaurant sold 7 salads every day for a week. How many salads were sold during the week? So I'm going to highlight the information I need. 7 salads every day and for a week. So a week has 7 days. So I'm counting. So one day 7, another day 7, another day 7. So I'm going to be multiplying because if I'm counting or adding up something, that's telling me I have to multiply. So 7 salads times 7 days because it's a week is equal to 49 salads. Let's look at number 4. Fred was at the beach for 5 days and found 9 seashells each day. How many seashells did Fred find during the beach trip? So He was on the beach for 5 days and 9 seashells each day. So I see that I'm counting. So 5 days, and every day he found 9 seashells. So that'd be 5 seashells, 9 seashells first day, 9 seashells second day, 9 seashells third day, 9 seashells fourth day, 9 seashells fifth day. So instead of having to write that out, we can just do 5 days times 9 seashells. And that gives us 45 seashells. Number 5. There were a total of 21 hockey games during the 3-month season. If the games were equally divided, how many hockey games are played a month? So immediately I see the word divided, so I know I'm going to have to do some division. So a total of 21, so that's the number that's going to be divided. And then during the 3-month seasons. So I want to find out how many were played each month, and we have a total of 3 months. So I got to divide the 21 games by the 3 months. So 21 games divided by 3 months equals 7 games a month. Tom is selling 7 gumballs for 8 cents each. How much money can Tom get from selling the gumballs? So I see here he has 7 gumballs, and I see the word each. So immediately that's telling me they're counting, so I'm going to have to multiply. So I have 7 gumballs, and they are 8 cents each. So 7 gumballs times 8 cents gives me 56 cents. Let's look at number 8. Tom goes fishing with Alyssa. They catch 14 trout. If they equally split up the trout, how many will each one get? So, what is a word in this problem that tells us what operation we'd have to use? The word equally. Split. So, split means to cut up or divide. So, the total trout found was 14. And we're going to divide by 2 because there's Tom and Alyssa. They're 2 people. So 14 divided by 2 is equal to 7. Let's go to number 7. Sally has 30 green balloons. She wants to give her 6 friends the same number of green balloons. How much will each friend get? What are some words in this problem that tell us what operation we need to do? Well, I see here, give her 6 friends the same number. That is the same as splitting up. So I'm going to need to divide. So the total number of balloons is 30, and she wants to split the balloons among her 6 friends. So 30 divided by 6 is equal to 5 balloons each. Number 9. Tim, Sarah, and Fred have 18 pencils together. If the pencils are equally divided, how many will each person get? So I see the total is 18. It says all together because 18 all together. And then we have Tim, Sarah, and Fred. So it's 18 divided by 3. It tells us equally divided, so we know it's going to be division. So 18 divided by 3 is equal to 6. So each one will get 6 pencils. Number 10. You try number 10. Sarah has 9 $5 bills. How much money does she have now? So I'm hearing counting. So that means I'm going to have to multiply. So she has $5 bills and she has 9 of them. So 5 times 9 is equal to $45. So she has $45. So this is one way that you can approach multiplication and division word problems. Good luck!